Hey out there YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we got kind of a care package in today. I wonder what's in here. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and you're gonna see what came in the box. Alrighty YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, thanks so much for finding us. You guys and you long-time viewers who have yet to do it, look down below. There's going to be a little channel watermark that pops up. Hover over that thing, click on subscribe. Get it out the way early and you ain't got to worry about it for the rest of the day. Now, as you saw by the intro, God, tongue-tied today, sorry guys. We're going to take a look at some more incredible beard products from Johnny Slicks. Today, it's his Dirty Pirate Hooker scent. Now, it's Armogan. It's, his organic beard oil. Now, I call it the Dirty Pirate Hooker because if you watch the commercial he rolled out, he basically played like he was a pirate who got thrown over a ship and ended up on a shore somewhere. So hence, the Dirty Pirate Hooker. And I have to give him credit. When I made fun of it over on Instagram, he went, but I'm the cleanest smelling Dirty Pirate Hooker you've ever been around. Now, for those of you unfamiliar with about the 10 billion videos we've already done for Johnny Slicks, look up top. I'm going to leave a card up there for every other, beard care product we've got from him up there, as long as some other interesting ones as well. Now, you can find them at www.johnnyslicks.com. They are 100% veteran owned and operated. Both Johnny and his business partner, Nick Comolatzos, are United States Marine Corps veterans. They are 100% made in the USA. Alright, sorry about that guys, camera took a dump. Now, like I was saying, they are 100% made in the USA out of Holly Ridge, North Carolina. Now, for those of you curious, I found them in a Facebook ad. Seriously. It's one of those weird things, you're talking about beard oil with somebody and all of a sudden on Facebook, you get like 10,000 ads for beard oil. Pulled the trigger on, I think Rugged was the very first one I bought. Haven't regretted a single purchase from them yet. Now, what is kind of cool, they are now 100% accredited by the Better Business Bureau. So I think that's awesome. In one form or another, he's been around since July 2016, but as Johnny loves to say, he hit it big in February of 2018 when he basically paired up with Nick Comolatzos and it really, really took off. Now, like I said in the opening, they are, I don't know if, you can see it kind of down there. They are 100% organic. Now, on JohnnySlicks.com, there's this great debate going on about natural versus organic, and I'm gonna let Johnny explain it to y'all on his website, because trust me, if I was doing it, we'd be here forever and a day trying to get through this. Now, he sells these in 1 ounce bottle and 2 ounce bottles, and they are amber with the incredible little eye drop topper that I just love. And there's the oil like I like to show. It has a really cool golden tinge to it, and that's just how the carrier oils mix. It's no big deal. For the 1 ounce, you're going to pay $12.99, and for the 2 ounce, you're going to pay $24.99. That really falls right in that comfort range for me. I usually pay anywhere between 10 and 20 bucks for a 1 ounce beard oil. So to get a 2 ounce for $24.99 that smells freaking incredible is just spot on. Now, before we get to the carrier oils, the scent profile on this guy is coconut and teakwood. Hence, Dirty Pirate Hooker. You're out there stranded in, the Caribbean, live off of coconuts, and you build wooden shelters out of whatever. Yeah, it just smells incredible. Now, I gotta tell you, when it first goes on, it's got like a medium to really, really heavy scent profile, but it doesn't really go away. It kind of fades gradually. And the last time I wore it, which was about 4 days ago, it lasted about a good 6 hours. So, I'm cool with that. It's not overpowering like it's going to knock you in the face, but people do know you're wearing it. Now, your wonderful oils are coconut oil, Brazilian nut oil, sweet almond oil, tea tree oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, or jojoba oil, or jojoba oil, whatever you want to call it. I'm seeing it all over the place nowadays. And body safe fragrance. That is one of the things, honestly, that has just latched me on with Johnny Slicks. I love the fact that everything they put in their product is safe for your body. There's no harmful chemicals, no harmful additives, no harmful preservatives. It is 100% safe. Now, if you guys haven't used beard oil before, you got to look at it as a vitamin supplement for your skin. Your skin can only produce so much oil to keep your hair growing, keep it healthy, keep it nice, keep it, not all split endy and that kind of stuff. So the beard oil, is like more for the skin under your beard. And yeah, the stress patch is still there, guys. It'll grow back at some point. Watch other videos on that card I showed you at the beginning. It's not there. But then again, I have 3 wonderful free-range yard apes in my house. So speaking of that, shameless plug, look up top. You're going to see a card from my step-parent vlog. You'll see exactly why the stress patch is there. But in order to use your beard oil, like I said, with the little eyedropper top, you just basically squeeze the amount you need into the eyedropper top, dispense it into your hand, rub your hands together to kind of get them coated and work it into your beard, and then just comb it out. That way you get a good coating from top to bottom and you get something that smells incredibly wonderful for you. Now here's the fun part of the video. This is the part actually I love the best. I want your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. Especially if you have used Johnny Slicks. I want to know your experiences, good, bad, ugly, and different, down below. Because I gotta tell you, I got hooked on one, and I've been buying it ever since. As you see, this is the most popular beard care products that I have brought to my channel. It vastly outnumbers the Whiskey Ink and Lace I brought. But now, here comes the fun wrap-up, all right, guys? I don't want to be rambling on too long about them because y'all might think I'm being paid to say this, and I'm not. But Johnny's an awesome son of a bitch anyway, and I will helpfully, help him, motherfucker, I need caffeine, help him bring his product line out there and get it more exposure. So, for you first-time viewers of the channel, as I said in the beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for taking a moment of your day to view this video. I know your time is very, very important to you, and I'm very grateful you selected my channel to spend some of it with. Now, for you first-timers and you long-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, here is your second chance at redemption. Down below, I believe it's going to be in that corner right there, is going to be a big channel symbol popping up. Click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you subscribe, please go ahead and beat up the bell icon. Why? Great question. It's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up. That's right, over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My look at Johnny Slicks, Dirty Pirate Hooker scent. Sorry, Armogan. Have a great one, guys, and thanks for watching.